Door. Who's in your school bus?
Bus.
Who's in the bus?
In the bus.
Where's the bus
Door.
going?
Door. Door.
Door. They're going through the door. What about the back door? Can you close the back door? Bus.
Door.
Door.
Big.
What is it?
Big.
A big door?
Door. Big door.
Big door? Is that door for a big boy?
Boy.
Could the itsy bitsy spider fit on the bus? The itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout.
No.
No? No itsy bitsy?
The bitsy bitsy bitsy. The bitsy bitsy.
Itsy bitsy bitsy? Did he go up the water spout? Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. Itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again.
Mama.
Itsy bitsy?
Okay.
You say, the itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out.
Mama.
Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again.
Yay!